everyone, welcome back to your 30-day Pilates journey. I'm Terriell, and today it is day 24. We are practicing precision in our Pilates workout today, which is one of the 6 principles of Pilates, meaning that in everything we do, we want to be precise in our movements, paying attention to all the details. So we're going to keep it pretty simple, working on exercises that we are already quite familiar with, just to really hone in on all of those juicy details to really help benefit you, help you progress quicker, and help you really juice out and get the most out of each move and workout. So it's total quality over quantity every single time. Here we go. No hundreds today. You're welcome. Let's start in a forearm plank. So we're going to take the forearms and make them parallel to each other, tuck your toes, and then just find your spot. Good. All right. So what are the details here? We want to make sure the back of the neck is long most of all. So I like to fix my gaze right on the front edge of my mat and then plug my shoulders down and just make sure that this plank is pretty bulletproof by pulling my belly in and up, squeezing my seat to drive those hip bones forward and down, and almost think of pulling my armpits towards my hips and vice versa. Like if I was on a beach towel, my elbows and my toes would pull towards each other and make wrinkles in that beach towel. Keep that going. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tap those knees down. Coming to your all fours position. From here, round your spine. Drop your head down heavy. Now here we want to pull the abdominals in and up, and same feeling, hips to the armpits, armpits towards the hips, a light squeeze in the seat, and that belly lifting up to the ceiling so much that your spine rounds deeper and creates more space in between each bone as a result. It is heavy here. Let's take one more breath and just try to deepen that contraction in the abdominals. 3, 2, 1. Good. Let's find that same shape here on the seat for half roll downs. Feet flat on the mat. Let's send the arms forward right in front of the shoulders and then round through your back. Taking it back here, head heavy and easy. Now think of pulling your hip bones forward and up towards your armpits, pressing your armpits down towards those hip bones, and then pulling your belly backwards so much that you open up more space for your entire spine. Holding there. 3, maybe going a little bit further. 2, and 1. Now roll it all the way down with control. Send those arms back, and then go ahead and lengthen your legs out. 1 and 2, finding your Pilates stance, heels together, toes apart. Now reach your arms up. Lift your head, neck, and shoulders up. Look right in between those arms at your belly button. From here, your inner thighs are squeezing, your belly is down. The fingertips reach to the sky, but the tips of the shoulder blades are still on the mat as you curl. Now take a big breath in, and on your exhale, just pull your belly button down a little bit deeper. 3, 2, 1. Drop your head back, drop your arms back. Keep that squeeze in your legs. Arms up again. Curl up. Eyes on the abs, pulling them down to the mat. And then lift a little bit higher than you did last time. Find a shake in your belly. Squeezing inner thighs in Pilates stance. Fingertips reach up, shoulders relaxed. 2, deeper in the belly. 1, drop your head back. One more time. Arms up, head lifts, scoop into your powerhouse, and then let's roll up a little bit higher. 3, press that low back down into the mat to grow a little bit higher up towards the ceiling. 2, deepen in that C curve. 1, drop your head back, reach your arms back. Let's hug the right knee into the chest. A little detail for your single leg circle. Left leg down, foot flexed, parallel. Right leg straight up to the ceiling, foot long, externally rotated. Press your palms down by your sides and open your chest. And we'll draw small circles today, the size of a big pumpkin. That was an oxymoron. Small circles the size of a big pumpkin. But we'll keep them slow, crossing over and around to the top. Cross over, circle around to the top. The details here are in keeping the hips steady, keeping the chest open, the shoulders relaxed. One more circle here. And then hold the top, and then try to just retrace that circle on the reverse 5 times. Same size circle on the ceiling, with each repetition. Good, 2 more. I hope that leg is shaking a little bit. Mine is. One more time. Hold the top. Go ahead and pull the leg toward you for a little stretch. You deserve it. It is day 24 after all. And then send the leg down. Now work the details on your setup. Left heel down to the mat, foot flexed, leg parallel. I'm sorry, your right foot, bottom foot, whichever foot you didn't do. Now your working leg, for me it's the left, up to the ceiling, externally rotating your thigh with a long foot. Not pointed, just relaxed and long. Press your arms down, 2 back pockets heavy on the mat. Then draw that pumpkin-sized circle, cross and around and up. 4 more. Now work the scoop of your abdominals. Don't let them loaf or pop out at all. 1 more circle here, leg to the ceiling. Then go ahead and reverse it. Outside, inside, lift it. Are you still tracing that same circle on the ceiling as you did on the other direction? So just pay attention, check into that detail. 1 more time. Now leg to the sky, hold it. Go ahead and stretch it. Bend it in, give that little thigh a rest. So now lengthen your leg out, reach your arms up. Let's do 1 roll up. Scooping the powerhouse in as you stretch all the way forward. Okay, now tip back onto your tail. Grab onto the backs of your thighs. Then go ahead and just round your back slightly to pick your legs up into a tabletop position. From here, we reach the right leg out into your open leg rocker position and the left leg out to balance. Now from here, your thighs are in slight external rotation. So as if you pulled them together in the center, you'd find that Pilates stance, but we'll keep them open. Now this is your beginner-ish open leg rocker position. More advanced is on mid-calf. Most advanced is on ankle. So find what works best for you, what's most challenging. And we'll try to just hold the shape for a moment, dropping the shoulders down, pulling the waist in, finding your gaze up through the big toes. And now we'll round the spine, scooping your abdominals. Woo! Try not to roll back. And then go ahead and lift your chest up, dropping the shoulders down. And now let's take the full roll with that detail. Round the spine to rock back. Don't let those hands move. Come up. Ooh, didn't make it. Come up and lift the chest up to a flat back position. This one is so hard to be precise, but we'll keep working at it. Round the spine, rock back. Come up, lift the chest, long lifted spine, round, rock back, come up, lift the chest. 1 more time, round, rock back, come up, tall spine. Now zip those thighs together, find that Pilates stance, reach up for your toes, find your teaser. From here, keep your legs frozen in space, squeezing them tight. 3, we roll down. 2, 1, and at the bottom, you can pull your knees in and lower your head down for a little corkscrew. Now remember those circles we drew on the single leg circles? We're gonna do that again for corkscrew. So the legs will go straight up to the ceiling. And now we'll start to draw a circle on the sky with the heels of the feet, reaching to one side, down and around, and back up. Now pulling the abdominals in, the chest stays wide open, the shoulders stay equally heavy into the mat as you circle left, back to center, to the right, down and around. These are controlled, and center, and then to the left, down and around, and center. 1 more time, right side, and around, and center, and the left side, and around, and center. Hug both knees into the chest here, and then make your way all the way up to a seated position. Flip yourself over onto your stomach for some single leg kicks. Now, this is my favorite exercise to work precision because the tendency is to kick, and just let your body kind of move with it, letting it rebound. We're not gonna do that today, no rebounding. So make fists with your hands, punch them down onto the mat, lift the elbows slightly, pull the chest open. Start with your right leg kick in, 1, 2, reach it long. It's slow and controlled, that's fine, but the abs are tight. But what you're really doing here is controlling that rebound and trying to get a maximum contraction in the back of the thigh and in your seat as you make that double kick. Now after we do a few slow, we're gonna kick it up a notch and try to keep the same level of control and mindful engagement in the back of the thigh. Let's go for it. Add some fire. Switch, kick, kick, switch, kick, kick, switch, kick, kick, switch. A little bit faster. Try not to rebound. I like to think of lifting my chest higher to avoid that rebound. Kick, 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 kick. 4 more. 4, 3, 2, and 1. And done. All right, go ahead and sit back onto your heels, round your back for a moment. Whew. And you have made it all the way through that day 24, working some precision. I will see you on the mat tomorrow for day 25. Bye for now.